Hey, you guys, and welcome to the mess. I know, right? Oh, it's terrible, but we're about to take it from this to this. Ha, yes! Doesn't it look so much better? Yeah, if you want to see how I got here, just stick around. Hey, you guys, welcome to my vanity. Yes, and a huge welcome to those of you that may be new here. I'm Deena, and you have landed at DeeVine DeeZine. On a strange day, I guess I might add, because you're behind the scenes, a little up close, raw, and personal. We're about to clean this mess. I know. Check out how awful it's gotten, you guys. If you guys have watched over on the vlog channel through all of Vlogmas, then you know we are extremely busy people. Bubba's had soccer, between all the filming, all the church activities, and everything that we have been doing throughout all the holidays leading into this month of February. Yeah, things have just gotten a little jumbled and a little far behind. And as you can see, I have so many new things, new Christmas gifts and items that my kids have gotten me that I want to use. So I haven't put them away because I don't want to get them mixed up with all the old stuff. So today I am finally clearing the calendar and I'm going to sit down and get rid of a bunch of the old stuff, making room for the new stuff. So you in this with me? Yeah, come on, let's do this. I'm going to take this opportunity to go through and get rid of some stuff. These right here are those Ohuhu brushes that I had reviewed for you guys, and I absolutely love these brushes. I really do. I love them, but I find that I don't reach for these very often. I just don't have a need to, because honestly, I like my Real Techniques brushes just a little bit better. So I think it's just time to go ahead and get rid of them, because when I reach for these once every couple of months versus every day for my other ones, then they just clutter and take up space. So we're going to say goodbye to these. You guys remember when we made this over? Yeah, we did this quite a while ago with you on the channel here. We did a little makeover. This was my grandmother's very first dresser, you guys. So it is now probably about 75 years old, I guess. But this metallic paint is starting to wear off. It's making it look dirty, but it's actually not. It's kind of rubbing off, and it's starting to show a little bit of that brown underneath there. So probably going to have to give this another coat of that metallic paint, but I absolutely love it, and it's so special to me, even with all the little nicks and dings that she put in it throughout the years. Absolutely love my vanity. Just got to thinking I probably should have dusted the vanity last. Now it'll be to do it all over again. What was I thinking? you guys have already seen these beautiful little vanity jars that I put together. I'll have a link for you that down below how I did that. But I'm thinking that I'm gonna also make over these little acrylic bins that I have, and I also have some other little jars that I'm gonna be doing over for you guys as well. So be watching the channel. Guys, remember my story about this mirror? For those of you that don't remember, this was the mirror that my grandmother had before she passed away, and her life lesson to me always was, and she would use her mirror to teach me this lesson, was a woman is only as beautiful as what's on the inside, not the reflection in the mirror. And there you have it, you guys. Ah, isn't it so much better? Yes, I can actually see the top of the vanity again. But you know how it is whenever you got a bunch of new stuff that you're putting away. Sometimes you get it all organized and then forget where you put it. Does that ever happen to anybody but me? Yeah, sometimes that does happen, but nonetheless, at least we're all back in order now. And I'll feel a little more relaxed whenever I get ready to sit down here and put that makeup on. Hope you enjoyed working through this with me. Now I've got a bag full of stuff here that I'll be getting rid of. Gonna let baby girl go through it first. If there's nothing she wants, we have some teenage girls at the church who I know are gonna love to go through that. Yes. And then after that, we'll find other people around us to give it to. I know last time that I did one of these, I had several of you message me wanting to know if I was willing to ship that off to some of you guys, but the shipping is just so expensive, you guys. I won't be able to do that this time around. And we have plenty of people around us right here that we have plenty of homes that we'll be able to find for it. But nonetheless, hope you enjoyed this little clean up declutter. I know I did, because now got a little peace of mind again. I want to thank all of you so very much for watching, and I want to remind you, you were created for purpose, so go be all you can be. I'll see you soon in the next video.